Bitcoin is once again dominating the global financial world. From massive price rallies to sudden crashes, Bitcoin continues to shock investors and traders everywhere. The big question now is where Bitcoin is heading next. In this video, we will cover Bitcoin's current price behavior, key market drivers, technical analysis, and its future prediction, so you can make smarter financial decisions. Bitcoin is currently moving in a highly volatile phase. Its price reacts instantly to global economic changes, government regulations, and large institutional buying and selling. At this moment, Bitcoin is influenced by inflation, interest rate changes, regulatory news, ETF approvals, market fear and greed, and expectations around the next Bitcoin halving. This makes Bitcoin unpredictable in the short term, but still very strong in the long term. Bitcoin's price is mainly affected by demand and supply. When demand increases, the price rises. When selling pressure increases, the price falls. The main forces behind Bitcoin's movement are institutional investors, global adoption, government regulation, economic uncertainty, and market psychology. Large companies, banks, and hedge funds are now buying Bitcoin as a digital asset. Their involvement makes Bitcoin more stable and more valuable over time. As institutional demand grows, Bitcoin becomes more scarce, and scarcity pushes the price higher. This is one of the strongest long-term bullish signals for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also seeing massive global adoption. It is used worldwide for payments, investments, and wealth storage, and in some countries, it is even considered legal tender. The more Bitcoin is adopted globally, the more powerful and valuable it becomes. Another major factor is the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving happens every 4 years, and during this event, the mining reward is reduced by half. This reduces the new Bitcoin supply entering the market. Historically, Bitcoin has always entered a strong bull run after each halving. Past halvings in 2012, 2016, and 2020 led to massive price growth, and the current halving cycle suggests that another strong upward move may still be ahead. From a technical perspective, Bitcoin follows a repeating market cycle: accumulation, uptrend, distribution, and downtrend. Currently, Bitcoin appears to be in an uptrend formation. The price is forming higher highs and higher lows, which is a strong bullish structure. This shows that Bitcoin still has upward momentum. Bitcoin also moves between important support and resistance levels. Support is where buyers enter the market, and resistance is where sellers take profit. When Bitcoin breaks resistance levels, it often leads to strong upward price movement. Holding support levels confirms long-term strength. Technical indicators are also showing bullish signals. Bitcoin's major moving averages are trending upward. The relative strength index shows strong buying pressure without being extremely overbought, which means Bitcoin still has room to grow. Market sentiment plays a huge role in Bitcoin's price. When fear dominates, prices fall. When confidence returns, prices rise. Right now, the market sentiment is improving, which supports a positive outlook for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is often compared to digital gold. During times of global economic uncertainty, investors move their money into Bitcoin for safety. This strengthens Bitcoin's price whenever the global economy faces instability. Bitcoin also has a fixed supply of only 21 million coins. This limited supply is what makes Bitcoin extremely powerful. As demand rises and supply stays limited, Bitcoin's long-term value increases. That is why Bitcoin is considered one of the strongest assets for wealth creation. Looking ahead, Bitcoin's long-term outlook remains bullish, based on historical cycles, halving events, institutional investment, and technical trends. Bitcoin is likely to continue its upward movement. It may break major resistance levels and potentially reach new all-time highs in the coming months or years. Short-term corrections can happen, but the overall direction remains upward. For investors, Bitcoin can be extremely rewarding, but also risky. The smartest strategy is to hold for the long term, avoid emotional trading, follow technical levels, and always manage risk properly. Bitcoin is not just a currency, it is a powerful financial asset. That was your complete Bitcoin price analysis and future prediction. Stay connected with Capital Kings Finance for more powerful crypto and finance insights. Let's build wealth together. Bitcoin remains a cornerstone of the crypto market. Its adoption continues to grow globally. Institutions and retail investors are both contributing to this growth. Halving cycles historically boost long-term price trends. Technical analysis shows Bitcoin in a bullish structure. Market sentiment indicates growing confidence. See, Bitcoin's scarcity enhances its long-term value. It is often compared to digital gold. For wealth protection, investors must understand risks and rewards. Carefully long-term holding with strategic planning is key. Bitcoin continues to be a strong financial asset for the future.